In this video I show you how to transform your cup noodles into a foam glider plane. To start we need 2 cups of cup noodles or any other brand. Now prepare the noodles, eat them, clean the cup, dry your cup and detach it. Now while this is done I trim off the sides so it's easier to work with. Repeat this process for the second cup. Now with the hairdryer I flatten the sheets out. You can also use an iron or some very hot water to try to make it more flat. I get some glue and glue the 2 pieces together. Now it's time to draw the design. My plane looks a little bit like a Spitfire, but of course you can draw whatever you want, how you like it yourself. Cut out the forms like this. Now we're gonna make the openings for the wings. Attach the wings to the plane. And the only thing left to do is add some weight in the front. I glue 2 coins to the front of the plane. That's how quick you can make a plane from cup noodles. Let's try. Oh no, the first flight is terrible. I had to adjust the wings a little bit and I put 1 more coin in front to make it heavier because it was not heavy enough. Let's try it again. Much better, smooth flights. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe.